Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover another tool I found on appsumo. It's called Minvo. And what you can do with Minvo is you can instantly transform your long-form videos into the clips that are ready to share on social media. So in a nutshell, if you have a video and you create that video and it's a long-form content, and you want to do some sort of short form content out of that long video, you'll be using this Minvo tool to actually create those videos for you. Okay, so basically in a nutshell what it does is this tool is looking through your video, is using AI to establish what's the most important, the most interesting parts of that video, and it's dividing that into the short form content. I think from one long video, you can get even up to 10 shorter videos, which you can then schedule and you can post it into your social media. Okay, I'll be showing you guys in a minute on how it's all been working like live. I'll be doing some short form content out of the long form videos I have. But for now, let's go and focus on the AppSumo deal they have in offer right now. So this tool I decided to show you guys. There is already 295 reviews, which an averaging of 4.5 star basically means that those people who are actually using this tool, they do enjoy it. So it's a good sign. Okay. Now they also included a 43% discount, which equals to $69 lifetime deal for tier 1, and we can go all the way to tier 5, but that's something which might consider for the future. Okay, let's say that tier 1, 2 or 3 might be something suitable for you. If you're really heavy user, you might consider those upper tiers. Okay, so let's say let's go quickly. Who's that for? Okay, the best uh, the best use cases they can be created for. It's like for marketing agencies, so social media managers, YouTubers. Okay, so people who actually creating the content and they want to promote that content via the social media. I think that tool might be useful for you guys. Okay, because out of your long form content you can create short clips and post it wherever you wish to do so, to promote your long form content. Okay, and then you can obviously link it back to your long form video. Okay, so if we go to this sales page on the AppSumo, that's how it works. That's how it looks, and you can guys go and check it yourself. I will leave the link below where I can go and access this deal. Okay, so here are the plans and features: lifetime access to Minvo. Okay, so whichever tier you purchase, you will get lifetime access, and that's gonna be renewed on a monthly basis. Okay, so all features pro plan updates. If plan name change, deal will map out to the new plan with the accompanying updates. Okay, so even though if they will do some changes on the platform, this deal you will purchase according to those terms they actually mentioned here will be mapped out into the new plan. Okay, so yeah. Features, okay, very important. AI moments. So AI tools will generate the moments for you. Okay, will take the most interesting parts of this long form content and will generate those moments. If we which you the short form content will be created out. Okay, magic edit. Okay, so you can do, there's many things which you actually can do yourself. So you'll be doing the editing if you wish. If you don't like some sort of outcome out of the tool, you can do it editing. Okay, fast priority AI processing, auto clip video shorts from full length video, upload shorts to just caption and frame, export videos in portrait and landscape and also in square, ChatGPT AI writing assistant for social posts, video descriptions, video to article and more, unlimited posting and scheduling to social media, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok integrations, no watermark and translate video subtitles. Okay, this part is also very interesting. So you can go and integrate that with your social media profiles. Okay, so you can do the scheduling, and once you're happy with the outcomes, let's say you have a long form content, 10 short form contents, and you can schedule all those 10 shorts to go, let's say 3 shorts every day for the next 3 days, let's say. Okay, so that's what I understand that what you can do here using this tool. Now tier 1, 2, and 3. Okay, they also it's a 5. Okay, but 5 I don't think for the moment. Let's focus on those first 3. So for tier 1, you got 2 hours video input minutes per minute, unlimited moments exported per month, one user, 5 gigabyte file upload size, 90 days upload storage. Okay, for tier 2, you have 5 hours 5 hours of input minutes per minute. Okay, everything stays the same except that you have 2 users. Okay, so two people can use the same account. And when it comes to tier 3, 12 hours. So if you are creating content on a regular basis, and you definitely think that you might exceed or be close to 12 hours of minutes being created per month, you might consider this deal $259. And remember, this is a paying once off, and you have this been renewed for you on a monthly basis. Okay, but that's definitely for the future. At the moment, let's go guys and see if this tool might really meet the needs of your business. Okay, so here's the landing page. Okay, let's say tools. Okay, you got magic moments, translate videos, branding and templates, social scheduling, animated subtitles, magic edit. Okay, that's all what we already talked about by visiting appsumo. Okay, we can go to pricing. If you go to pricing on a monthly basis or annual basis, we go shortly and I will show you. Okay, so here's the sales page. Looks pretty clean and slick. Okay, nice background. A good explanation of what you can expect from this tool. Here is a quick example on how it's working. What you can do here, and it's I think it's self-explanatory here, this video. So you can do editing of every part of this video you'll be creating. Okay, here goes. So some get started with Minvo Pro tips. Okay, so some of other YouTubers already done some videos about it. So it's quite impressive that this tool is actually have some sort of audience so far. Okay, let's see how many people are using it on a monthly basis. 72,000 people ended up on this sales page on a monthly basis. Traffic is it's a little bit slows down. Okay, there was 150,000 back in April, and now it's about half of that, but that doesn't matter. Maybe they back in April they were just putting heavily on marketing of this tool. That's why there was so many people visiting. Now gradually people are going. It's still heavy traffic, 72,000 people, and they are averaging of 30 minutes. Our average duration basically means that they actually not just simply going and visiting this website. That's it. But they actually, in my opinion, they do some sort of action on it. Basically, they migrated the videos. Basically, so it means that this tool has been in use. Okay. Now, once we log in, you just simply use your email address. That's all. What do we want to be doing? Okay, so we turn my long videos into the shorts. Use this for podcasts, live streams, logs, speeches, and any long video. Okay, just caption and edit my shorts. Use these videos for you already have cut that just to engage captions and effects. Okay, so if you have a long-term video, you can do those short ones. If you have a short video and you want to do editing only, you can also do it here. Okay, that's for the import. Okay, so let's go that we go with this long form. Okay, there is a link, right? So we have a link here. Let me see. I just want to see one of the videos I have already there. So we can either use the YouTube, or we can upload video, or we can sample videos. Okay, so let's go some sample videos here. Okay, let's say that some sample videos. If you don't have any videos, okay, I can put one of my videos here, but let's use one of those samples here. Okay, hold on a second. You know what, I'm gonna use one of my videos. Just 1 second. Okay, so I found one of the videos I just recently created on my YouTube channel, and let's I pasted the URL to that video, and let's go and click continue. All right, so now the video is been processing. Okay, now they found my logo of my channel. Okay, they found the name of my channel, language, let's say English. Okay, processing video. So now it's in process. Okay, and let's start continue. So the video has been processed, and how would you like to AI to edit? Okay, so now the question is, pick which edits would you like AI to apply to your videos. All right, so would you like to apply the emojis? Yes, please. Yeah, auto edit emojis matching your video. Okay, so the AI will actually and make sure that those emojis have been placed in the right place, in the right spot of the videos, of those short-term form videos. Obviously, you can do your changes. That's not a problem at all. As I said, everything is editable here. So if you don't like the outcome, you can always change it. Okay. Now, Magic Media, auto add B-roll matching your videos. Yeah, I think so. Why should we not have this one? Magic Cat, auto cat filler words. Yeah, that's something happening to me. That I have those filler words here, and we can cut them if possible, please. Yes. Font. Okay, I think this font is looking very good. Okay, so let's leave it as it is. Sorry, this one. Yeah, I think so. This one. Then text background and text highlights. Yeah, you see those tags? I think they actually match the branding of my channel. So those colors they took from the logo of my channel, which is nice. Okay, so let's go and click continue. And where did you hear about me? All right, so where did I hear about it? There is no appsumo here available, but let's say that I saw it on YouTube then. Sorry, on Google. Okay, so now we have to wait for the video to be processed. And to be honest with you, I'm doing this with you right now, first time. Okay, so I don't know if it takes 20 minutes or 20 seconds. Okay, so we need to wait for a bit. But in the meantime, what kind of content do you create? Okay, the comedy speeches, sermon? No, it's lectures, I suppose. They are lectures like webinars, lectures or tutorials. I think that the tutorials will actually, yeah, reviews. Here you go. So I had the reviews, which is great because I was looking for this review option. Here it is there. There you go. Let's click continue. What is your role? There you go. I think that's the one. Video editing, influencer, freelancer, social media host, talent. Do you know what? I would do this just other. Okay, or maybe not, just the marketing team. I think, yeah, that's I don't really, I think those questions are only first time when you're doing this, and once you have it answered, you know, they will set up your account the way you answer it, and you don't have to answer those questions anymore. You know, it's a standard procedure and most of those softwares. Okay, now what is your monthly views goal? Okay, I'd love to have a 10,000 or maybe 100,000 people. Okay, so let's go 100,000. How often do you post? I do post daily. That's great. And now connect your socials. All right, so you can connect your YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, I won't be connecting at the moment because I want to see the outcome first. All right, so what's happened? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stages. All right, so 3 of those already been completed. So fetching clip-wise review. Okay, there you go. They fetch the video, they put it inside the queue, then transcribe the content. Now it's analyzing with AI. AI is doing its own magic, and then it should be ready. In all progress, please wait 5 to 7 minutes. That's really handy, where you can see how much of your time you will need to spend waiting for that video, which is great. Okay, we know now that it's between 5 to 7 minutes. So what I can do, I can put the pause here and I come back when it's ready. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes for those for this video to be divided into the short moments. Okay, so they worked on it between, I think there was up to 5 minutes. It took everything. Okay, so now we have those moments being created here. How many of those moments we have in total? We got 7 moments. Okay, so out of the video I just tapped in, there is there is a 7 moments. The AI decided to actually make that as a separate for short form content. All right, so let's go quickly and look at some of this. Okay, so I think those moments are, doesn't really matter which one we choose. Let's say that we're gonna go ahead and we choose this one. All right, look at this. You can do changes inside the title, so really up to yourself which one you prefer. You can do also the you can also do the position. Okay, you can do in the middle, you can lower it, you can even do the on the lowest level. Okay, you can turn off the captions or you can turn on the captions, which is great. And also this is a branding. Okay, so as I said, they took the branding from the logo I have already been on my YouTube channel. All right, so what we can also add is we can add the music into it. All right, that's great thing, because we can do some music. Let's say that we can do this epic piano. Okay, that's great. And orientation is a portrait, landscape, square. Okay, let's do the portrait. And now let's go and edit this. Okay, so it will be converted to the editing tool, where we can do any changes we like to the video itself. All right, so let's say that we want to move that video. Okay, this is the screen, because obviously I was recorded for the YouTube and we want to make this as a short form content. All right, so now what we can do, we can just move it here. Okay, we can do those moves like that, and it's gonna be showing you, it's really up to yourself, which part of your video you want to choose. And this part will be actually taken, and put it here on inside the short form content. Okay, you can even split your screen into the 3 different sections. All right, so, or you can do it full the way like it is now, and you can also do some movements here. Let's say that we want to do some changes inside the captions were created. Okay, here is the script, and we want to do some changes inside the script. You can also do it, we can remove some words if you feel like, okay, you can improve on that, for example. All right, you can definitely do some other things. You can add the b-roll. The b-roll was added here, but you can do, if you want to change it, you can definitely do it. And also let's go and do some magic edit. All right, so as I said, you can do the magic cut, magic emojis. Let's do some magic emojis. Okay, where would you like emojis to appear? And I want them to be appear right in the middle. Okay, so now the emojis will be created. All right, so those emojis have been pasted here. We got 98,000 people. There you go. So from time to time, I understand the emojis will pop up here inside inside the video. Okay, I like the way those captions has been added. I know that you guys can do it in a CapCut, similar situation, similar way. But the thing is that this obviously you need to know how to do it in CapCut, and those type of softwares are giving you opportunity to cut the time you need to create those those videos. Okay, so all those softwares, the main purpose of those softwares is to save you time. Okay, plus if you don't know how to do it on CapCut, it obviously so it comes with the time, because you need to learn how to do it. All right, so but here it's easy. Okay, it makes everything so much easier. Okay, so let's say that we want to also add some effects here. Okay, we can do this, some pop-ups, pop-ins, slow in, and everything else. Everything can be added and here the way you like it. All right, then if you, let's say that you have your TikTok already been linked with your account, You click on it here, and it will show you the TikTok zones, and you can work on it. All right, so you'll be knowing that some of those zones will need to be, you need to match those zones before you will actually find out that this video is ready for TikTok. Okay, now everything is ready. Let's say that you want to save it, and you just go and you just click export. You can export it into your computer, or you can export it directly into your social media. I haven't been actually doing this. I haven't linked any TikTok or Instagram account with this software. I was just showing you guys on how to use it, how to edit it, just everything else. But if you would like to go and test it, on how to edit, for example, and then how to post it on your social media, you will need to add this into the social media. Then once you do it, you will be able to just go and schedule the post. Okay, so I think, guys, that's all what I want to cover here at this video. As I said, like, currently this product is on a good deal with the appsumo, and that's all. Like, I will leave it the link below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, just leave it below, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.